Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for 25th March 2021. So this analysis is for 25th March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for the next day. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let me take out the pencil. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 128.59. Okay, this is the current market price, and you can see that market had a good fall. Okay, from here. Okay, so this means, or does it mean that we need to look for the shorting opportunity only? Okay, kind of, but the picture is not that simple. Also, I would like to show you one thing. Okay, let me zoom out the chart. Let me zoom out the chart. Okay. I don't know whether you remember it correctly or not, but market was in very beautiful uptrend. Okay, and 50 moving average was the support for the market. Okay, it was a strong uptrend, taking support at the 50 MA every time. Okay, so probably now you can see that yes, market was in uptrend. Is not it? Okay, market was in uptrend every time it was taking support at the 50 MA, 50 MA, and again going up. Okay, but after that it broke the support, and right now, okay, trading below the 50 moving average. It opened here on Monday. So what should we do then? Because I told you that the picture is not that simple, because this is the overall trend of the market, and we all know that it is not that wise to go against the trend of the market. Okay, then what should we do? Okay, let me zoom in again and share with you what can we do today. Okay, as you can see, 50 moving average was the support for the market. Okay, and right now this the same support has become the resistance. Okay, the same support has become the resistance for the market. This, see, market was trying to go up, 50 MA provided or push the price downward, and ultimately just look at this form. Okay, and right now market is trading here, and this is the present condition of the market. Market is an oversold zone right now. Okay, so see, as market was in a very strong uptrend, the only strategy that I will recommend you is to wait for the market to go up. Okay, wait for the market to go up. Yes, market will be going up eventually, because market need to take rest also. Okay, for that, when market will be going up, or wait for the market to go up and hit the 50 moving average. Okay, when market will be hitting the 50 moving average or reach the 50 moving average, then just observe the price. Just observe the price. If you see that market is, or the 50 MA is providing resistance to the market, or 50 MA is not allowing the market to go up, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, then that's the confirmation that yes, you can short the market, and that is the safest entry for Euro JPY. Okay, that is the safest entry. So wait for the market to go up and get resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, when it will be reversing from the 50 moving average, then you short the market. Okay, that will be the best position to short the market. Otherwise, you can also wait for stochastic RSI to move to the overbought zone. When it will be going down, you can short the market. That also you can do, but that will be quite risky. Okay, and I do not prefer this kind of trades where you mainly rely on indicators. Okay, so best thing will be wait for the market to go to the resistance and test the resistance. Let the market test the resistance, and if market reverses from there, then you can easily short the market on that particular point, and that will be a disciplined trade for you also. There are plenty of currency pairs available where you can trade uh, trades right now. So you do not need to risk your hard-earned money or hard-earned capital. Okay, just wait for the market to test the 50 moving average and just observe how does it react. If it reverses from there, short the market. That's it. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for Euro Japanese Yen for 25th March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.